Good morning and welcome to Morning Markets from True Potential. Today, look back at asset markets from yesterday, and as you can see on the ticker at the bottom of the screen, relatively subdued markets really yesterday across equities and into bonds. A little bit of a positive move in the oil price and gold, very much attributed to the ongoing problems that we're seeing between Russia and Ukraine and the news flow there, which seems to be dominating sentiment in asset markets at this point in time. On that topic, please do join us tomorrow for our podcast where we will focus in on Russia, Ukraine, but also thinking about how portfolios can be structured in a robust way and in a diversified way in times like this, and why that is ultimately very important. Turning to other data points from yesterday, I just wanted to draw out a couple, primarily around the US in terms of ongoing strength in the economy there, very much evidenced by the very strong retail sales number coming in at 3.8% month on month. Well ahead of consensus, but it also has to be remembered that if we look back in December, we had a very weak retail sales number in the US, down some 2.5%. So just maybe a bit of travelling and arriving in the data there. But it did also reveal a number of those underlying trends that we've been seeing evident through the past 2 years, really, as we've navigated our way through COVID and the recovery, that online continues to be a very significant and growing part of retail sales, but also just notable in the data yesterday that we saw an improvement in the demand trends, the pricing trends coming through for auto sales in the US, and that's despite the challenges that we know in terms of rising prices and shortages. So maybe hints there of ongoing improvement coming through. Industrial production, again, better than expected, but maybe what we're seeing there is it's not as strong as we've been looking for, and some of that is attributable to why we've got inflation. This real mismatch between strong demand, evident from retail sales, but relatively weaker production, and that's what's driving the inflation backdrop that we have at this point in time. Also, we had the Federal Reserve's minutes in the US yesterday, and really, did we get anything new from that? Not really, just really confirming some of those things that we already knew. Interest rates will be moving in March. There's a bit of debate, I think, within the committee itself around the magnitude of that move and the impact that it might have on financial conditions. But that's something that we'll have to navigate our way through over the coming months. I'll leave it there for today, but please do join us again tomorrow, both for Morning Markets and for the podcast. Many thanks.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.